GA4 versus Universal Analytics. What's changed? What's different? And what do I need to know? Well, first of all, I want to credit Luke Carthy with the reference here. Universal Analytics is like a pre-packaged box delivery service, something like HelloFresh, where you have everything delivered to your door. It's all pre-packaged, all the recipes, all the ingredients are together. Think of this like your Universal Analytics. When you've done your dashboard, you had all of your views, you had your acquisition report, your user segmentation, your profiles, your conversions, your behavioral flow, all within kind of a quick and easy dashboard. GA4, on the other hand, has really surprised a lot of people, and as a result, is almost like going into the supermarket. You have no ingredients, you have no shopping list, you've just been told to go make a meal and you can choose whatever you want. There's so much more reporting, there's so much more choice, but you have to build the package yourself, you have to build the reports. This is the biggest difference in GA4. Well, now events are more custom and more personalized than ever before with the addition of parameters. Users will now have the ability to collect from multiple events per session. Previously, it was based on more hit rate. People could have had multiple events, yet only one conversion would show. We're also going to now have better insights into how tracking and user behavior actually works throughout the site by replacing bounce rate with average engagement time. There's many more features. Stay tuned for ProfileTree to find out more about GA4 for your business.